Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a popular TikTok trend. Today it's gonna be a tutorial and I'm gonna basically teach you how to recycle old CDs. So we need some CDs, some paint brushes. You may use Fevicryl acrylic colors. Let's start the process without wasting any more time. If you wanna make transparent CD art, then first thing you have to do is grab the CDs and make a mark by using blade or any sharp object, and then take the label off by using sellotape. Then you will get a crystal clear CD. And then I started making some teeny grasses and some small sky flowers onto it. If you guys wanna add another designs like cartoon or anything else, you can do it. If you guys liked our video, hit the like button, do comment and subscribe our channel for more videos.